Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Annie O'Callahan from the Market Intelligence Desk here at Nasdaq. We're so excited to have Independent Bank here to help us ring today's closing bell. Now, please join me in welcoming your executive host for the day, Nasdaq Vice President, Mr. David Wicks.
Wow. Thank you, everyone. Good afternoon. It's truly my great pleasure to welcome Independent Bank Corporation and President and CEO Brad Kessel. Also, I'd like to extend a warm welcome. I think we have the entire board of directors here. Is that correct? It's awesome. I know we have family members here and management team, all our distinguished guests. Hello, distinguished guests. Hi. You're going to hear about a great Nasdaq company, and we are truly excited that you could all join us right here from the crossroads of the world in Times Square, New York, as we get set to ring today's closing bell. Now, today, we're here to celebrate a milestone in Independent Bank's history, the 30th year of being a publicly traded company on Nasdaq. IBCP's first trading day was September 4th of 1985, and since that day, the bank has continued to grow and today has over $2.3 billion in assets and 70 locations across Michigan. This is obviously a great milestone, one that we're certainly proud to recognize and help celebrate. Now, Brad, I start each ceremony with a big round of applause. Sometimes the louder you guys clap and cheer, the more the stock does go up. So let's give a big round of applause. You all want that stock up. So, Independent Bank actually traces its roots back to 1864, and it's proudly served its communities, always focused on the customer, going beyond what people expect from a bank. Independent Bank gives customers the technology they need, the personal attention that they expect, and the exceptional banking experience they deserve each and every day. So Brad, I know that this is a team effort, and I want to congratulate you and everyone at the company on all your past success. Nasdaq looks forward to supporting Independent Bank as you continue to grow and continue to innovate as a Nasdaq-listed company. And now it is my pleasure. Please join me in welcoming Independent Bank Corporation President and CEO, Brad Kessel. Brad?
Good afternoon. Thank you. It is truly my honor to be here this day, along with our executive team, board members, and family members, to represent the 850 plus employees of Independent Bank Corporation. Independent Bank, headquartered in Grand Rapids, Michigan, celebrated its 150th anniversary in 2014. This year, 2015, marks the 30th anniversary of Independent Bank Corporation being publicly traded on Nasdaq. We are proud to have the opportunity to celebrate this special milestone and all the accomplishments we have had thus far. We are very excited about Independent Bank Corporation's future, as we have now transitioned from the recent period of recovery to a period of growth. We are thankful to all our customers who over the years have chosen to bank with us. We are very appreciative of the great job all our employees do in providing exceptional service to our customer base. We are thankful for our shareholders who have invested in our company. And finally, we are thankful to the team at Nasdaq for supporting our company for the last 30 years. Thank you.
I really do want to stop. I was just mentioning you guys really do want the stock up. So I don't know if everyone knows, Nasdaq was actually founded in 1971, so we're only 44 years old. So the fact that we've had our partnership for the vast majority of our existence for 30 years is very special to us. And as I like to tell people, this is actually our version, which hopefully you can all relate to, the Lombardi Trophy. So on behalf of everyone, proud to present our closing bell crystal to you and your team here, Brad. Congratulations. Thank you.